Are you compromising on your favorite food because of tooth pain? It might be your dental cavities calling for a root canal treatment. Today, in this video, we will talk about everything you need to know about cavities, tooth pain, and need of a RCT. Hi, I am Dr. Shweta Bansal with almost 20 years of experience in performing root canal treatment procedures. And today, let's talk about dental cavities. What are they and how they happen? When does it get to the stage of needing an RCT? And when does it lead to pain? What is a root canal treatment? And how does it work? And finally, an understanding of the need of a cap or crown that is used in the final stage of root canal treatment. So, let's start with understanding dental cavities. Imagine your tooth is like a foot with strong walls. These walls are called enamel. Cavities are like tiny holes that can appear in these walls. But how do these holes get there? Well, they are the germs which are present in our mouth that love to eat the sugar we eat. And when they eat the sugar, they make acid which can make holes in the tooth walls. At first, these holes are small and you might not even notice them. But if we don't take care of them, they'll get bigger and deeper into our teeth. These holes might not get hurt at first, but when they get deeper and bigger, they can start to hurt. And this brings us to our next understanding, that is dental pain. When a cavity goes deeper into your tooth, it can reach to the part next to enamel, that is dentine. And this dentine is not as hard as the enamel. It has tiny tubes that go straight away to the nerves of your tooth. And that's when you might start feeling pain, especially when you eat or drink something hot, cold, or sweet. In short, that's when you might start experiencing tooth sensitivity. It starts with a little discomfort that you often ignore. But if the cavity gets deeper, it reaches the very inside of your tooth, that is the pulp, where our nerves are located, and the pain really gets unbearable and bad. This is when you might need a root canal treatment to make the pain go away and save your tooth. Now let's understand how a root canal treatment works. RCT is a dental procedure where we treat the infected pulp. During the procedure, we take out the infected and damaged pulp, clean the inside of the tooth and shape it so it's ready to be filled. We fill the inside of the tooth with a special material that makes it strong, and it also prevents the outside germs from getting back in. Now once the inside of the tooth is filled, we seal the opening which we made in the beginning to gain access to the root canals. The whole procedure is done under local anesthesia, making it virtually painless, and it requires 1 or 2 visits, which depends on the severity of the infection. And an important point to note is, it is not just dental cavities that can lead to the need for RCT. Sometimes an injury to the tooth or repeated dental trauma can also lead to the damage to tooth pulp. At times, even a crack or chip in the tooth can lead to pulpal infection, and hence the need for RCT arises. The final step after getting a root canal treatment is often getting a cap or crown. It is a cover that goes over the top of your tooth to protect it and make it stronger. Crowns can be made of different materials like metal or porcelain, and porcelain look a lot like your real teeth. During the crown procedure, your dentist will shape your tooth and will make a mold of it so that your crown is of perfect size and shape and is a snug fit. With the crown in place, you can eat, talk, smile without worrying. It is really like giving your tooth a new life. After the root canal procedures, your tooth might feel a bit sensitive for a few days, but that is perfectly normal. Over-the-counter pain relievers will help with that. So, if you are experiencing a chronic pain while chewing, sensitivity, or noticing a change in color of your tooth, don't hesitate to seek dental care immediately. In case you need RCT, don't worry. At Clove Dental, we ensure a comfortable and painless experience with state-of-the-art technology and expert care of 1,000+ dentists. And finally, there is some good news which you don't want to miss. Cavities and the subsequent need for RCT can be prevented with good oral hygiene. Brushing twice a day, flossing regularly, and visiting your dentist for checkups are the key points. Thank you for watching, and remember, a healthy smile is a happy smile.